Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. In this video I show you 50 Christmas and winter inspired doodle ideas for your journal or your bullet journal or your planner in general. First, let's start with a little star. Next is a circle of stars as a little wreath. And a minimalistic Christmas tree. For number 4, we draw a little crescent moon and stars. The next doodle is a little candle that's standing on top of some pine tree branches. After that, we draw a Christmas ornament with a snowflake inside. Number 7 is a little candy cane. We draw a little doodle of a glove. Number 9 is a little doodle of a pine cone. Next are some winter berries and another ornament in a different shape. Now onto a little garland of ornaments. Next is another wreath made from little pine tree branches. Now on to a different kind of star doodle and a little shooting star. Doodle number 17 is a little Santa's hat. The next doodle are a star ornament and a little snowman. For number 20, it's a different type of stylized Christmas tree doodle, followed by a little winter berry doodle. Next is another ornament and a doodle of a calendar on Christmas Day. The next doodle is a Christmas present. And number 25 is a little pine tree branch, followed by another style of a Christmas tree doodle. Now on to another doodle of a snowman, but this time the snowman did melt already. Doodle number 28 is a mistletoe. The next doodle are some cute little houses. A ball of wool. And another star-shaped ornament. Doodle number 32 is a little knitted hat. Followed by a cute Christmas gnome. And a fourth way to doodle a Christmas tree. Next are a Christmas stocking doodle, as well as a doodle of a cup of hot chocolate. Followed by some jingle bells. A cinnamon stick. And a deer hat, like a little Rudolph. For doodle number 40, we make a little snow globe with a Christmas tree inside. Then another Christmas wreath. And a little scarf. Next is a slice of an orange. A little sleigh for some winter adventures. And a super simple Christmas tree, followed by 3 simple candlesticks. A snowflake. And a little skate for some more winter adventures. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these Christmas and winter inspired doodle ideas. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.